All right, let's get started with today's learning target. Our learning target says, I can represent subtraction stories with objects, drawings, and number sentences. There's a big word in there, and that's represent. Represent means to show. So our job today is going to be to show subtraction stories. Remember, subtraction means taking away. So we're going to be showing our takeaway stories using objects like cubes, using drawings, and writing number sentences. So by the end of today's lesson, you should feel comfortable using all three of those ways to show takeaway stories, okay? All right, let's get started. So I'm going to read you a story, and your job is to draw that story. If you need to use your cubes, you can also use your cubes. You don't have to. So you should have some blank paper or a whiteboard to solve these. Okay, it said, the first one says, there were 4 butterflies on a flower. 2 of them left to go to another flower. How many butterflies were left on the first flower? So you're going to draw a picture of that and then try to use a number sentence to show that. So take a few minutes and then I'm going to show mine. I'll start with my drawing. All right, so I know I had 4 butterflies. And 2 of them left. Think about how you could show that. Okay, you could cross the 2 out to show that those 2 are gone. They flew away. How many are left? Okay, now can you write a number sentence, a subtraction sentence to show this? Something minus something equals something. Can you write that down? Give you a minute. All right, let's see what you came up with. When I'm thinking about the first number, I always write how many I had to start. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4 to start. Then I'm subtracting or taking away some. How many did I take away? Oh, 2. And then equals means how many are left. How many are left? 2 are left. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. If you got that, great work. If you didn't get that, that's okay. This is still just practice. So go ahead and write that on your whiteboard or your paper. When you're ready, let's move on to the next one. If you're still working on this first one, feel free to press pause and press play when you're ready, okay? All right, this one says 5 children were playing in the park. 1 child had to go home for dinner, so he left. How many children were still playing in the park? Okay, so think about how you can draw a picture of this. 5 children were playing. Okay, and then 1 had to go home for dinner. How could you show that with your picture? Yep, we could take that person with. All right, now can you make a number sentence to show this? Something minus something equals something. Think about how many you started with, how many you took away, and how many are left. Go ahead and write it down before I write down my idea. All right, are you ready to find out what it really is? All right, so we started with 5. So I'm going to write 5 to start. Then I see a subtraction sign. That means take away. I took away 1. My equals is how many are left. I have 4 kids left after I took 1 away. Okay, so remember, you can get this on your board. If you didn't get it already, copy mine. If you did get it, give yourself some shine. All right, thanks for practicing with me. Go ahead to the next video to see today's independent practice.